How to share a profile on Instagram. Hello guys, today I will show you how to share Instagram or profile on Instagram. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just open your Instagram. Then when you will open your Instagram, you will search for this person that you want to share his account. Then click search. Then for example I will use this account. Then I will click here on this 3 point. Then I will click share this profile. Then they will tell me where you wanna share it. For example, I will share it to, I don't know, for example this, and click done. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.